In this video, you'll learn how to add social icons to your WordPress website. By the end of this guide, you will be able to enhance your site's connectivity with popular social media platforms. To begin, navigate to the WordPress.com website. If you are not already signed in, enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once logged in, you should see your site's overview on the main page. Next, locate the Sites section on the left-hand menu. Click on Sites to view all the websites you've created. This will lead you to a list of your WordPress sites, allowing you to choose the one where you want to add social icons. After selecting your desired site, click on it to open the site editor. You may need to wait a moment for the editor to load fully. Once it appears, you will see a variety of editing options and tools available for customization. Now look for the Close button typically located in the upper right corner of the editor interface. Click on Close to exit any current editing mode and return to the main editing screen. This step ensures that you are ready to add new elements to your site. Following that, find and click on the plus icon, which is usually situated in the same area as the other editing tools. This action opens up a menu where you can add new elements, including social icons. Next, click on the search option within the menu that appears. This allows you to search for specific items to add. Enter icon in the search bar to filter the available options, making it easier to find the social media icons you wish to use. Once the search results populate, look through the options and click on the desired icon. This selection will prompt the system to display additional settings or customization options related to the icon you selected. After selecting an icon, click on Choose an Icon to confirm your choice. This action finalizes the icon selection process and prepares it for integration into your site. Finally, choose the icon you want to display on your website. Review the available options carefully. Once you have made your selection, the icon will be added to your site, enhancing its visual appeal and connectivity with social media. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.